Remember that feeling when your favorite clothes got damaged after washing? LG Smart Motion delivers agitating motion for a powerful wash, rotating motion to prevent twisting and tangling, and swing motion for a delicate touch. With 3 distinct motions, you can stop worrying about fabric damage and get ready for laundry that's cleaner than ever. Trust LG Smart Motion to cleanly wash your clothes with less damage. Have you ever been startled by a washing machine door slamming? The soft closing doors on LG washing machines close gently, quietly, and safely. Close the washing machine safely with a soft closing door and easily check on your laundry through the wide glass door. Is your washing machine so loud that you can't even read your favorite book or fall asleep? LG Smart Inverter Motor is shielded with a protection cover made of a bulk molding compound to dampen noise and vibration. This cover reduces noise to the level of a typical library and even prevents motor damage from outside. Also, Smart Inverter Motor is guaranteed with a 10-year warranty. Whether indoors or outdoors, don't worry about unwanted machine damage and noise. Have you ever washed something twice because of a stubborn stain that refused to come out, or detergent residue? LG's turbo drum creates a powerful water current by turning not only the pulsator, but rotating drum as well to wash your clothes even stronger and cleaner. Trust LG Turbo Drum with your clothing and make sure your clothes come out clean the first time. Can you imagine the frustration of waiting for a service technician to solve an unknown problem with your washing machine? Smart ThinkU app makes troubleshooting simpler than ever. Turn on your Smart ThinkU app, tag on your washing machine, then check solutions right away. No need to panic if your washing machine stops working. With Smart Diagnosis, you can easily troubleshoot problems on your own.